Hi, welcome to the GPS Dairy Consulting Vlog. I'm your monthly host, Trent. Today I get to be out in the barn where I get to spend most of my days talking to you about data innovation and technology. So the last few months we've talked a lot about technology, implementing it, calculating its ROI, so on and so forth. Today I want to take a step back and talk about innovation in two separate parts. Innovation that we buy, innovation that we purchase, and innovations that we build. So when we think about technology, oftentimes technology as it comes in the form of hardware and software or automation or robots, whatever you want. These are items that we purchase, and this can go to other parts of the farm or dairy as well. You know, tractors, GPS, precision planting, all these are innovations that we have to purchase. The other side of innovation are the innovations that we build. So this can be that special spreadsheet that we track our daily milk production, or that we use to track our financials, or perhaps it's a special onboarding document, or HR document, or perhaps it's something that we physically build, an innovation that we physically build. And the one that I always think of is different ways to hang gates. So here we have one where the gate must have been sagging, so they just welded a little L piece together to hold the gate up, keep it in place, and a chain to hold it all together. And we can think of 1,000 other ways that we've seen gates chained and hung up. Other ones that I like to think of, all the different ways that we push in feed, how many different skid steer attachments. Or you can think of the way that we design and build barns are different from farm to farm. So the reason I bring up these two different types of innovations, the ones that we buy and the ones that we build, is because they have a huge difference in the type of competitive advantage that we build for our dairy. When you think about the innovations that we purchase, are available to all dairies. In fact, those who sell technology and innovations, their goal is to sell it to as many farms as possible. However, the ones that we build, unless we're specifically sharing these, if it's a document or a spreadsheet, or perhaps it's a design for a gate or a skid steer attachment, those never leave our business unless we specifically choose so, or unless they get leaked by a consultant like me. But when it comes to being a competitive dairy, it's important to have as many built innovations as possible because they're proprietary. Nobody else has access to them. However, when it comes time to actually build these innovations, we have to be strategic in doing so. By that I mean we have to ensure that the people who are designing or innovating these for your business have the skill set to do so. For example, I'm not going to be the one to develop a fancy new software to track something, or make an HR document to retain employees. I'm going to be the guy who comes up with another silly way to hang a gate. So we have to make sure that when we're encouraging innovation and encouraging people to think outside the box, that we're making sure that they align with their skill set. So that's where, ping your herdsmen to come up with better ways to move cattle. Ping your guys in the shop with new ways to build gates or new ways to protect the overhead doors. Make sure that we're aligning and encouraging the right people to innovate around the right things. However, I do believe that the more we can build our innovations dairy, the more competitive we will be in the long run. So with that, thanks for listening. I really enjoy doing this every month, and as always, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Bye.